Hello everyone. So I want to discuss here one very important concept in physics, the way we represent force. So force is generally represent this way, mass times acceleration, but as a physics student you should not write this equation in that way cause it misinterpret the physics. Why? You have to write this way: acceleration is equal to force divided by m. Why this is shouldn't be written? Why this shouldn't be written and why this is the right way to write? Because force is something that creates acceleration. That means force is the input and A is the output. Here m just work as a resistance. Similar to something like that, I is equal to V by R. If there are no mass, then all force will be converted into acceleration. So if we write this equation in that way, then this really represents the physics very well. But for simplification, we can write this way. Okay, but I'm not interested in this topic, rather I'm interested how we represent force. For simplification, we are representing force this way. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. But this is often don't tell the full story of nature, because oftentimes nature deal with energy, not with force. We can't see force, rather we can sense, and nature talks in the language of energy. For example, this is a ground and there is a particle above this ground. This is a certain distance h. As this particle is above the ground, it must have some potential. So this potential decreases as it goes down. So what we can say, the potential goes down when it is going down across its position. We can say something like that h. We have to provide minus here because the potential is decreasing against position. So why the potential is decreasing? Because gravitational force acting on that object or on this particle. So that's why we can write F is equal to minus V by H. But there is some caveat. This is another discussion. This should be a class of calculus. We are often interested in taking the derivative of potential against position. We will discuss this topic in another class maybe. So that's why we write this way: F is equal to minus del V del X. So in short, we say that force is the negative gradient of potential. This term, if you differentiate something over position, then this is called gradient. So oftentimes we represent force this way, not this way, cause this does not tell the full story, and we interested about the potential and how the potential changes with the position. And if we write force in that way, then this makes more sense and this carry more physics than this equation. And as an undergraduate student, we just write force this way. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.